Imagine living in a house smaller than a parking space, or one you can pedal through traffic, or even sail across a lake. This isn't science fiction, it's the real world of tiny homes. Today we're exploring 30 of the most mind-blowing mini houses on Earth, each one redefining what it means to live small, smart, and free. From luxury pods to nomadic DIY setups, these are the homes changing lives, 1 square foot at a time. Jeff Smith believes he's built the smallest house in the world. It measures just 25 square feet, yet inside, you'll find a sofa bed, a workspace, a sink, a gas stove, and even a shower. At one point, Jeff even listed it on Airbnb for $55 a night. Some people called it a doghouse on steroids. Others called it a genius response to the housing crisis. It's not made for luxury, it's made for freedom. No heating, no air conditioning, no internet. Just the bare essentials for those who value mobility over materials. Huga homes are made from reinforced concrete and built to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and even home intruders. But inside, they're anything but rugged. With 484 square feet of space, each one includes a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and even a small relaxation area. The base model can be built in a single day and costs $75,000. It's not just a house, it's part of a movement to offer affordable, secure living. In a world where housing stability is increasingly out of reach. The eco-capsule looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, part egg, part spaceship. But inside, it's got a full kitchen, hot shower, and even Wi-Fi. Powered by solar panels and backed by a 28.8 kilowatt-hour battery. This futuristic pod is 100% off-grid. The standard model houses 2 people, while the XL can fit 4. Starting price? $17,000. And with that price comes freedom. No utility bills, no permanent address, just the open world and a place to call your own. Mystique cabins are made for people who love nature but aren't quite ready to give up comfort. With mirrored exteriors, these cabins visually disappear into the landscape, making them nearly invisible in forest settings. Inside, they rival a hotel room, plush bed, full bathroom, and a workspace lit by natural light. Available in 226 and 269 square foot models. These cabins are ideal for writers, creatives, or anyone looking to recharge somewhere quiet, clean, and absolutely beautiful. In China, private land ownership doesn't exist, which is why the tricycle house exists. It's a tiny home built on 3 wheels, powered entirely by pedaling. No engine, no plugs, just leg power. The body is made of polypropylene, light and foldable, and it includes a sink, stove, bathtub, and foldable furniture. It fits in a single parking space and can link up with others to form a village. It's a moving, living protest against the constraints of modern cities. Jude is a tiny home with a big heart, named after the founder's mom, who was known for making everyone feel welcome. Just 150 square feet in total, it can sleep 4 people and includes a bar-style kitchen counter, a shower, and a bed with panoramic views. It's fully equipped with a gas stove, refrigerator, and heating. You can rent it for $270 a night. And once you're inside, surrounded by soft lighting and cozy design, you might never want to leave. Along the beach near Herisel, Germany, lies one of Europe's most unexpected sleeping spots, an old maritime buoy that sat at the bottom of the sea for over a century. It's been pulled ashore and turned into a tiny hotel room. Inside, it's tight, just 21 square feet. But the views make up for the lack of luxury. The bathroom and showers are a few hundred feet away. But for travelers looking for something different, it's hard to beat the charm of sleeping in a literal anchor. Anna is a home that transforms depending on your mood or the weather. Its walls slide open to let in air and light, or close shut for warmth and privacy. Want to host a party? Slide it open and turn the center into a dance floor. Want to stargaze? Slide it partially open and sleep beneath the sky. The largest version tops out at 613 square feet and costs over $500,000. Only 365 will ever be made, one for each day of the year. Urbanpods are stylish outdoor structures designed for backyard use. Whether you need a quiet office, a personal gym, a studio, or even a tiny guest house, these prefab buildings have you covered. Their flagship model offers 101 square feet of interior space and takes just 2 weeks to install. Built with thermally modified timber, it's made for all seasons and priced around $16,000. It's one of the most versatile small structures you can own. Some call it a hut. But Nola is more like a luxury tent made for glamping. It's just 97 square feet. But it includes a biofuel stove, power outlets, solar panels, and enough space for 2 adults and a child. The structure can be disassembled and reassembled without any heavy equipment. Making it perfect for seasonal festivals, nature getaways, or temporary installations. It's high-tech, portable, and surprisingly cozy. Drop Structures builds custom tiny homes designed to fit your lifestyle, whether you're living in the woods or in your backyard. The Duo model offers 484 square feet of living space and is perfect for couples. Too big? Try the Mono. Just 323 square feet, styled like a studio apartment. These homes start at $118,000 and go up depending on your needs. Each one is prefabricated, custom finished, and delivered right to your build site, even in the middle of a forest. Tiny House Nano is a micro-trailer home measuring just 75 square feet, built on a frame under 11 feet long. And despite its tiny footprint, it comes with a full kitchen, sleeping loft, and workspace. It can sleep 2 adults and a child, and at just 3,500 pounds, it's light enough to push into place by hand. For road trippers and solo adventurers, this is as compact and mobile as a home can get. Want to build your own dream home? This 269 square foot prefab lets you do just that. It'll cost around $193,000, and that's before you add furniture. Inside, creative use of space puts a bathroom, bedroom, and living area all within reach. Even the washing machine pulls double duty next to the kitchen sink. Floating peacefully on lakes and rivers, the Harmonia 310 houseboat is more than a weekend escape. It's a fully equipped aquatic home. It's got air conditioning, a smart TV, solar panels, and a cozy 183 square foot layout that includes a full kitchen, bedroom, and lounge area. Price tag, $84,200. Smart dome homes combine futuristic design with ecological living. These steel-framed domes are shaped for sustainability and adventure. Each has a 314 square foot interior with a 10.8 foot ceiling, insulated with mineral wool and designed for all climates. They even support hydroponic gardens inside. Light, transportable, and stackable. The Coda Loft upgrades earlier models with a wood and steel combo. The result? Half the weight, all the comfort. With 323 square feet of living space and full utility hookups, it's ideal for glamping sites or modular hotel builds. Covered in golden tinted glass, the Golden House might be the most luxurious tiny home on Earth, and one of the rarest. Only 79 units were built, honoring Gold's atomic number. Despite its 280 square foot size, guests pay more to stay here than at 5-star hotels. The Cola Libre capsule feels like a stylish escape pod. Just 129 square feet, but with smart materials and minimalist design, it doesn't feel small. The cost? Around $43,000. From ultra-compact studios to 4-bedroom models, Houses offers modular, earthquake-resistant homes delivered in under 2 months. The smallest model is just 194 square feet and costs $19,000. The largest? A 1,033 square foot structure that still arrives in prefab part. Ever stayed in a hotel room? On the roof? That's exactly where the Loft Cube lives. Hovering above the city of Graz, Austria. It's modular, lightweight, and highly customizable. The 420 square foot interior even lets you move walls around. Setup takes 5 days and tear down just 2. Need a home in under 8 hours? Prefab X makes that possible. Their Classic A model offers 423 square feet of durable, pre-assembled comfort for a small family. It's weather-resistant like a brick house, but light enough to place on rooftops. And if you need help picking furniture, they've got you covered. Covered. Why drive for hours to relax in nature when you can check into a Rouse cabin near home? These mobile hotel rooms are scattered across Germany's natural beauty spots. Each cabin includes skylights above the bed and bath, a full kitchen, a wood-burning stove, and a cozy porch for watching sunsets. Don't let its 135 square feet fool you. The Element model from Dragon Tiny Homes is packed with style. It's built on a trailer, making it ideal for road life. Inside, you'll find a bathroom, laundry nook, loft bed, and surprising storage, all starting at just $21,500. A legend in the tiny home world, the tumbleweed elm was one of the first mobile homes in America, and 25 years later, it still holds up. Ranging from 215 to 387 square feet, it can sleep 6 people. Large windows, a full kitchen, and a classic porch keep it charming and functional. Creators of Cabin Jude weren't done. They came back with Jude 2.0, a 398 square foot upgrade that feels like a downtown apartment packed into nature. With full appliances, central AC, storage nooks, and a double loft, it's a legit family home. Starting around $60,000, it's luxury without the footprint. Now this one isn't a house, it's a system. Crew Modus combines a tent, tarp, inflatable mattress, mosquito net, hammock, and sleeping bag into one. The entire kit weighs just 11 pounds and fits into a single bag. Shade, shelter, temperature control, it's all here for just $200. Traft is a tent that becomes a boat. Yeah, you read that right. Walk with it on land, sail with it on water. 2 models available. The Traft 95 holds 324 pounds. The 101 holds 350. Both weigh just under 12 pounds and cost $770. Studio Bark's U-Build system makes building a home feel like assembling IKEA furniture. Seriously, no contractors needed. It's sustainable, made with birch, spruce, and OSB. Best of all, if you mess up a wall, it's easy to take it apart and fix it. Puzzle pieces for adults. Cedar Shed homes are part shed, part cabin, and 100% customizable. Starting at 72 square feet, they're great for backyards, studios, or even remote retreats. No need to be a carpenter. Each unit ships with prefabricated parts and is fully upgradable. Add real windows, decks, and insulation as you go. Part art installation, part living space. The Beehive Dome in Berlin is built from bamboo, straw, and earth, a natural fortress for creativity. With a 26-foot diameter, it was designed by students for film screenings. Every part is hand-built using sustainable materials, earth literally beneath your feet. From golden glass domes to homes that float, fold, or fly, these 30 tiny houses prove that size isn't everything. It's how you design the space that makes it extraordinary. So, which one would you live in? The houseboat with a smart TV? The $200 backpack tent? Or maybe the mirrored retreat deep in the woods? Hit that like button if you saw one you'd call home. And don't forget to subscribe for more brilliant ideas packed into small spaces.